In this video, we will review the setups for the QRN series recorder. Once you've initialized the recorder and plugged it in, you'll start to see the boot screen for the recorder. This can take anywhere from 2 to 3 minutes to get through the entire boot process. Once the initial boot process is completed, you'll be brought to the first screen to select the language. In most cases, you'll select English, click Next. On the next screen, you'll be asked to enter the password for the appliance. All password constraints for the use of passwords apply. You can see listed below what constraints are needed to be added to the password. On the screen, you'll get the keyboard that will pop up. You will click through using the mouse to select the password, going over each character and left clicking to select the character. To get to special characters, you will select the shift key. That will bring you to the special characters, and then you're able to do that. Now, in the first one, you've set the password for the device. The second one is to set the password that will be used on the cameras. You can select that password that you want to put into each of the cameras. Again, by using the same function of using the mouse on the keyboard to select the characters. And again, using the shift key to be able to access the special characters required for the password. Once you've completed both, we'll go ahead and say next. Next will take us to setups for networking. In this case, we're going to use the unit on DHCP, so it will select IP addresses for the cameras. We could also, if we had a secondary network set up, we could select any changes to it here. We're going to select and put this in plug and play mode so that the cameras will automatically be selected. Next screen would take us to our time and date. Again, we can make any changes to our time and date. Once we're done there, we can click next, and the unit will go through and reboot and bring us to our initial screen. Once we get through the boot process, it'll give us an approximation of initially how much storage based upon the initial setup. Once we click next, we can then start to see it'll bring in pictures from the cameras that have been installed. Thank you for viewing this video. Please visit hanwhasecurity.com for additional information.